Take a ride in the 2020 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.